So NASA have made many attempts to send humans to Moon and the Mars. Constellation in 2004, then Journey to Mars in 2015, and now Moon to Mars, aka the Artemis Program. This time, NASA looks pretty confident about this, and according to them, humans will land on the Moon again in 2024. Yes, it delayed and it's 2025 now. So this is the footage of NASA checking the SLS, and it will launch on 12th February 2022. They did said earlier this year that they will launch it in September 2021, but it also delayed. Then there will be Artemis 2 mission in 2024, and this time there will be astronauts on board, and they will orbit Moon for 4 days and come back. Then Artemis 3, in which humans will finally land on the Moon again after more than 50 years. Let's see how all of this will take place. This is a rocket on which astronauts will be on board. NASA named it SLS. Its launch cost is $2 billion, which means it can only be launched once a year because of its cost. Its launch cost is too much for a mission that wants to make a permanent base on the Moon. But it can carry up to 46 tons of cargo to the Moon's orbit, which is almost half of what Starship can carry. I mean, they can use Lunar Starship for both crew and cargo, but they are only using it to land on the Moon's surface. That means Lunar Starship will be launched from Earth without any crew or cargo and get in the lunar orbit, then wait for the Orion Capsule to arrive and dock with it. Crew and cargo will be transferred from the Orion Capsule to the Lunar Starship. Then the Lunar Starship will land on the Moon, which is very inefficient. Instead, they can use the Lunar Starship for sending cargo, but they are not doing that. So this is what is going to happen on early missions. But after Gateway is completed and in lunar orbit, things will be a little different. After Gateway is completed, Lunar Starship and Orion both will dock with Gateway, and then the same thing will happen again. Cargo and crew from the Orion Capsule will be transferred to Lunar Starship, and then the Starship would land. So the main purpose of Gateway is just for continuous communication with Earth. On the Apollo missions, there was several communication blackouts, because whenever the service module got to the dark side of the Moon, communication would stop for some time because Moon was in the way. That's why Gateway will be put in a near halo orbit, which basically means that it will orbit Moon from the North Pole to the South Pole. Just like this. So I said in the beginning that this mission will also be called Moon to Mars. After making a base on Moon, NASA will shift their focus to Mars, and they will try to land humans on Mars in the 2030s. Artemis missions will achieve a lot of goals, including landing the first woman and the first man of color on the Moon. We are late. If you ask a person from 1979 that what will humans achieve until 2021, they would probably say that humans will make a Moon and a Mars base. Now we are finally going back to the Moon after more than 50 years. And if everything goes right with the Starship program, we would probably land on the Moon before 2030. If you liked what you just watched, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.